Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. Today is a makeup review video and today we are working with Annabelle. Thank you so much Annabelle for kindly sending me this package. Once again, I always find it so much exciting to work with the brand because they have the most gorgeous makeup collection. Every time they surprise me with amazing products, and let's see what we have this time around. So once I opened the box, what I found, I really got surprised. See what is in. I was just totally expecting makeup and I got a bum bag which is just so wonderful. So I got this waist bag and I'm just super surprised, and it seems something is inside. Obviously Annabelle won't send me just the bag. They have their newly launched makeup collection, so we're going to dig in and see what we have in. First of all, this bag is so cute. This is just perfect, and this package arrived to me a few days back, but because I was occupied with so many personal things and I could not really play around with it, so now we're doing it. So this is probably more like a summer bag when they send me, but now it's fall season. But with makeup you're never too late. Look what I got. So I got this beautiful mirror inside. Oh, this is so cute. I love collecting mirrors, and look how cute this mirror is. So feminine and so cute. Absolutely cutest thing ever. And then okay, so this is the Big Show Hydra Matte by Annabelle. So it looks like we are going to get some new lip products here. So they're saying now these lip products are going to be Hydra Matte liquid lipstick, long wearing with vitamin C, coconut oil and vitamin E. So they're going to take care of your lips while the texture is going to be, the finish is going to be matte, and they're smudge proof. That's amazing. And there are 12 shades to choose from. That is wonderful. Let's see what shades I got here. So I got two different lip shades with two different lip liners. And also I have something in which is a lip scrub. Wow, look at how cute is this one. I had before one from Sephora which I loved, but now I have from Annabelle. It looks so good, and this is a complete lip package. So I got the mirror, I got the lip scrubber, and then I got these two Hydra Matte lip product with two matching liners. So let's see what shades are these. So one of the lipstick is called First Kiss, and the other one is known as Power number 09. So Power number 09 and First Kiss is number 01. And with that, I believe with First Kiss I got this lip liner. It's soft pink 125. They're going to match. And then this lipstick number 09 comes with the liner which is called Burgundy 245. So beautiful, and Burgundy is my all-time favorite lipstick. We're going to try that now. Okay, so first I'm trying soft pink. Well, this is First Kiss. Ah, looks like a quite light color on me. The color looks pretty washed out on me, like it's washing me out. But what I need to do, I think the liner is a little dark, which but I'm trying to figure out how the texture is. It is really comfortable. I was wearing Anastasia lip cream before and that was drying my lips, but now on the top, when I'm wearing this, instantly my lips got hydrated, that I feel. This color, First Kiss, is definitely lighter, not the shade for my skin tone, but we can work it out with the liner provided, which is soft pink 125. So I'll just go over with the liner a little more. So the color is more subtle. So this is how it is looking on my lips. I don't think this is a good match for me, so but the quality is really good, as they have told us that they have 12 different shades. So definitely I'm going to try other shades that more matches me. This is not the right shade for me. Even with the liner, I don't think I'd go out wearing this color alone, but I can make it work with, you know, adding some other shades on the top. But the quality, color, shade, you can choose from. There are 12 different shades, but the quality is really good. Looks completely matte, but at the same time super hydrating. My lips were dehydrated before. Now I really feel the comfort. Really good. Now we're going to try the burgundy shade. And I pretty much went to my entire lip. In that way, I have noticed that lipstick stays long and looks better. So let's see. Oh, it has a cookie-like smell, which is so delicious. Ah, look at the color. Look at this beautiful color. It looks like a perfect shade of red. Such a gorgeous color. I think this is a perfect red for any skin tone that makes your skin looks brighter. It's so perfect. It has more blue to it rather than orange. I don't like the red which is more orange. I like the red which is more deeper and it has more blue to it, and it's just so perfect. It makes your teeth look white, it makes your skin look brighter. I love it. The quality is so comfortable. So color wise, I really love this shade. This is the perfect red that I always love, exactly the way I love my lips to look. The first one, I love the quality, but not the shade was right for me. But this one is just the perfect red. I'm honestly so happy with how the shade came out, how it's looking on me. I'm very happy. I see myself wearing this a lot. You will be seeing me wearing this shade in front of you guys. Very good. And I'll say this is so hydrating, so comfortable on my lips. My lips are chappy and dry, so I always tend to go for the lipstick that are hydrating. And also I love matte lipsticks. I never really love gloss on me, so I always try to find the matte which are actually comfortable. So these are so good, and I am obviously going to look for more shades because I want to collect as many shades possible. I love the texture. I love how it feels. So comfortable. You don't feel that you're wearing anything. It's so comfortable and it's completely matte. Let's see if it transfers. Ooh, it transferred. Yeah, I don't know. maybe it will take some more time to dry, but yeah, it has been a couple of minutes now, like almost 5-6 minutes. But it still transfers, so it is definitely not transfer proof as for now, but yeah, it is transferring. So I have been wearing it for a few minutes now. I think it is dried enough, and it should not transfer, as it says transfer proof, but it is transferring, so be aware of that. But I think they will be good enough to, you know, stay longer. You may not need to reapply, but you have to be careful, it transfers. You may or may not need to reapply, I don't know yet, but it has transferred, so be aware of that. Other than that, I don't mind reapplying. I don't really mind reapplying, but I love the shade. I'm definitely going to see for more shades. So anyways guys, hope you loved today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you love Annabelle Cosmetics. So far I'm so happy with Annabelle quality and their collection. They have like all kind of makeup. They're bringing more and more, and good luck Annabelle, you're doing really good, and I'm seeing myself collecting more of your products. Anyways guys, I'll be seeing you next time on my next video, and check the link down below. I'll be linking my products that I used today so you can easily grab them. I'll see you next time. Bye.